Very good morning, students. In last session, we discussed about the classification of organic compound based on the kind of atom, hydrocarbons, and a characteristic of hydrocarbons. In this session, we are going to discuss about classification of organic compounds based on the functional group, homologous series, characteristic of homologous series. These three subheading we are going to see. First, classification of organic compound based on the functional group. First, functional group. What is meant by functional group? The presence of some other atom or group of atoms. The presence of some other atom or group of atom makes the compounds more reactive and thus determines the chemical properties of the compound. That is, any atoms or group of atom present in the organic compounds, that compounds more reactive and that compound determine the chemical properties of compound. So that group or atom is called functional group. These groups are called functional group. Example, OH. If the OH present in the any organic compound, that is called alcohol. Suppose CHO group, this group of compound, that is carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. This is a group of atoms. Carbon atom, hydrogen atom, oxygen atom. So this is a group of atoms. This group of atoms present in the organic compound, that is called aldehyde. The same C double bond O. This group present means that is called ketone. And then COOH. This is called carboxylic acid. And then O, that is here one alkyl group, here one alkyl group. Any two alkyl group bonded with oxygen, that is called ether. Next, class of compounds, functional group, common formula, examples. First one, alcohol. Alcohol, the functional group already I told OH, that is OH. The common formula, the OH present inside the present in the alkyl group, that is ROH. R means alkyl group. It may be ethane, alkane, alkene, alkyne, any one. So R means any alkyl group. Example, CH3, CH2, OH. This is ethanol. And then next, aldehyde. The functional group is CHO. CHO. The common formula RCHO. This is structure. This is common formula. Example, CH3, CHO, acetaldehyde. The same, ketone. The ketone functional group is C double bond O. The general formula is RCOR. This oxygen bonded with carbon, that is C double bond O. Here one alkyl group, here one alkyl group, that is RCOR. Example, CH3, CO, CH3, acetone. And the next, carboxylic acid. The functional group is COOH. C double bond O, OH. The common formula is RCOOH. And example, CH3, COOH. This is called acetic acid. Next, ester. Ester, that is C double bond O, OR. Common formula is RCOOR. Example, CH3, COO, CH3, methyl acetate. These are the examples of class of compounds. And then next, homologous series. First we must know about homologous series. It is a group or class of organic compounds having the same general formula and similar chemical properties in which successive members differ by CH2 group. So homologous series is nothing but it is a group or class of organic compound. For example, alkane. In alkane group, all the members having a same general formula, that is CN H2N plus 2. Already we discussed it. So that is called a group or class of organic compounds having a same general formula and similar chemical properties. In alkane group, all members having a same chemical properties. All the members having a successive members differ by CH2 group. Example, methane, CH4, ethane C2H6, that is CH3, C2H6, CH4, C2H6. The difference between these two is CH2. And then next propane. Propane is CH3, CH2, CH3. So one CH2 added in this compound. So the difference between these two are CH2. Next butane. Example, butane CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. One CH2 added in this group. So the difference between these two is CH2. So the successive member next members differ by CH2. The difference between these two is CH2. The difference between these two is CH2. The same, all the successive members differ by CH2 group. And then next, characteristic of homologous series. What are the characters? First one, each member of the series differ from the preceding or succeeding member by one methyl group. Already now we discussed it. Before this segment we discussed it. The difference between alkane and methane and ethane is CH2, and the difference between ethane and propane is CH2. Hence by a molecular mass of 14 AMU. So the molecular mass is 14 AMU differed. And second point, all member of homologous series contain same element and functional group. Suppose if alkane all the same general formula. Suppose if the homologous series, this series having any functional group, that is ethanol, alcohol added means ethanol, methanol, propanol, butanol, pentanol, hexanol, like that. All the members have containing the same element and functional group, and then they are represented by a general formula. Already we discussed it. The homologous series, that is hydrocarbon, that is organic compounds represented by a general formula. Example, alkane CnH2n plus 2. In alkene CnH2n, in alkyne CnH2n minus 2. So it can represented by a general molecular formula. And the next, the member in each homologous series show a regular gradation in their physical properties with respect to their increase in the molecular mass. So in successive members, the difference between the successive members is CH2, that is 14 AMU will be increased. So the physical property will be gradually increased with respect to their increase in the molecular mass. And the next, chemical properties of the members of a homologous series are similar. All the homologous series members having a same chemical properties. And then all the members can be prepared by a common method. In homologous series, all the members, for example alkane, all the members can be prepared by a common method. Thank you.